winning the hearts of the Somali people, young and old, as well as the peoples of the region. Winning the respect of the world, possessing a lot of shrewdness and wisdom. Very silent, but his silence contains the leader's planning. That is His Excellency the Somali President, Mohamed Abdulla Farmajo. The Somali President, Mohamed Abdulla Farmajo, has amazed the whole world with his great popularity, and the love and appreciation he enjoys from all spectrums of the Somali people. Until he is seen as the only leader capable of leading the country in this transitional phase. Among the most prominent achievements, made in the 4 years of the Somali President Mohamed Abdulla Farmajo, assuming the position. The elimination of the centers of corruption that impeded the work of government institutions. Whether security, judicial and others, as international reports indicated that the Somali economy has achieved remarkable growth in the past years. And the federal government has succeeded in disposing the salaries of state employees regularly, increased soldiers' salaries. Serious steps have been taken to complete the conditions of the international community, to achieve the plan to exempt the accumulated debts of Somalia, and to gain the confidence of international financial institutions. Among the achievements made in the first term of His Excellency President Mohamed Abdulla Farmajo, is the program of the volunteer campaign to rebuild public facilities such as the National Theatre, the Museum, the National Library and Mogadishu International Stadium, which resulted in the return and operation of the most important vital facilities and historical and national monuments. Among the achievements made during the Farmajo era, was the building of a unified national army with all its military equipment, which enjoys a combat patriotic doctrine, far from political and tribal ideas, and ranks first in the classification of African and global armies. The army has won the praise of the international community, as it is preparing to assume the security mission in the country, succeeding the African peacekeepers, AMISOM, which played an important role in enhancing security and stability over the past years.